ikaw
Ay,
nauna. Ngayon
ay,
naman ako
nauna,
never.
hindi, nauna ka na. Ako sana mauuna. Hi, Anna. I miss my friend Anna. Finally, after how many years, ano? 2 years.
Before pandemic.
No, we were seeing each other before pandemic. I was traveling, ano? Oo. So, we're at SM Center, no?
SM Center.
SM Center, Shaw Boulevard, the former Cherry.
Yeah.
Oo. Medyo maliit lang siya, pero okay, spacious. So, I'm, please, it's spacious. So happy to see my old friend, another cat mama. Anna rescues cats just like me, and I have 4 Persians from Anna: Patrick, Kara, Kylie, and Ina, and a Puspin, Daisy, adopted by the 4 cats, all from Anna. I'm having chapchay, ano ba tawag dyan? Chapchay. Although yan, every Sunday, yan ang pagkain ko, bangus. Favorite ko yan. So here we are.
Dapat yung
Anna, please take care of your health. I was so worried about you. I'm so happy to see Anna, my very good friend. So December, see you December, punta ako ulit dito.